In this video, I'll guide you through how to create and edit property groups in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to organize your properties more effectively so your CRM is easier for everyone on your team to use. Let's start from the main HubSpot dashboard. First, you'll want to head into your settings area. Look toward the top right corner of your screen for the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click that. This opens up the main settings panel, which is where you control most of the behind-the-scenes configuration for your account. Once you're in settings, focus on the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This vertical sidebar is where HubSpot organizes all its different tools and configuration options. You may need to scroll a bit, but you're looking for the section labeled Objects. When you find it, click on Objects to expand it and then select Properties. This is the central place where you manage all the fields or properties that store information about your contacts, companies, deals, and other records. After you click Properties, you'll see a screen with tabs or a drop-down that lets you choose which type of object you're working with. This is important because each type of record in HubSpot has its own set of properties and property groups. For example, contact properties store details about people, company properties store information about organizations, and deal properties track information about sales opportunities. At the top of the properties page, look for the object selector. It typically lists options like contacts, companies, deals, and sometimes tickets or custom objects, depending on your account setup. Click on the tab or drop down for the object you want to edit. For instance, if you want to manage how your contact information is grouped, make sure the Contacts tab is selected. If you're organizing deal-related fields, switch over to the Deals tab instead. Once you've selected the correct object, you'll see a list of existing properties for that object. These properties are usually organized into groups to make them easier to navigate when you're viewing or editing a record. While this walkthrough focuses on getting you to the right place, it's helpful to understand why you might want to create or edit these groups. Well-structured property groups help your team find information faster, keep forms and record views tidy, and make reporting more intuitive. From here, you can explore the interface to find options to create new property groups, rename existing ones, or move properties between groups. As you make changes, think about how your team actually uses HubSpot day to day. Group related fields together in ways that match your real processes. For example, you might keep life cycle and lead qualification properties in one group and billing or contract details in another. Anytime you're working with properties and groups, it's a good idea to make changes gradually and communicate them with your team. That way, everyone understands where to find key information after you've reorganized things. And remember, you can always come back to this same properties area in settings to refine your structure as your business evolves. So to recap the path, open the settings using the gear icon in the top right, go to Objects in the left sidebar, select Properties, and then choose the object tab you want to work with, such as contacts, companies, or deals. From there, you're in the right place to manage and organize your property groups in HubSpot.